Hey friends, it's 4:30 on Saturday and my flight to Rome leaves in 24 hours. I'm so excited. So I've spent the last couple of hours getting my clothing and skincare and all the little things that I need to pack with me. I'm doing carry-on only. It's the first time I've ever done carry-on only, so I'm really hoping that everything fits, because we're going to be taking trains and ferries and we have to lug our suitcase ourselves. I have pared down my travel capsule wardrobe even more because I was thinking I can probably wear a few things more than once, and if need be, we can get stuff laundered. So I'm going to show you everything that I have laying out on the bed. So you're going to watch and hopefully have your fingers and toes crossed that everything fits for me. I'm going to be doing a separate video for my carry-on bag. That's all my electronics and travel essentials that are needed on a long flight, because our flight going is 8 hours and 9 hours coming home. So that is my travel outfit hanging on the back of my closet door. I'm just taking the one pair of long pants. They're the Zella Joggers, and that will be my outfit for both flying to Rome and coming home. So this is my Monos carry-on. It's a carry-on plus size. My daughter gave it to me for my birthday last year. I did use it once when I went on my cruise in March, but it was just carrying like a change of clothes, so I didn't have to unpack my large suitcase the night before the cruise. So this is the first time I'm ever packing everything that I need to live for 10 to 12 days in a carry-on. And this is everything laid out on the bed. That's all got to fit in that little tiny suitcase. They include one sort of medium-sized bag and then two bags this size, I guess, which you could use for shoes. I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to put my shoes in a grocery bag just because they're dirty. Also, it comes with this magic eraser. It also comes with a luggage tag, which I will fix and put on it. So I'm going to be using my packing cubes, and I'm actually going to go ahead and put in my bottoms. So I have 2 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of leggings. That's all that I'm taking for bottoms. And in this packing cube, I'm going to put my swimsuit, my cover up, and I have a nightgown that I put in. I feel like I can also put some more stuff in. Still have lots of room in this packing cube. So I think I'm going to put my little tripod in. I'm going to put my hairbrush. I'm going to put my plug adapter for Italy. I don't want it poking a hole. I'll put it under there. I'm going to pack 2 packs of tissue, which I talked about in my travel essentials video, which I will link in the description box. I'm packing some N95 masks because in Italy you have to wear them when you are on trains. I'm not sure about ferries. On the airplane we have to wear, I think, just a regular mask. So that fit nicely into that. And then I have this smaller packing cube that I'm hoping all of my tops fit in. I think I took 3 tops away. Those are my dresses and more tops. So let's hope this baby closes. Is it going to? These are not compression packing tubes. They're just regular. They're just regular packing cubes. Did I say packing tubes? Oh my gosh, my head is spinning. I have so many things to get, so much to get done before I leave. But yay! I think it's gonna fit. Yay! Well done, Cathy. Woohoo! And it has this nice little handle. I'm going to be wearing my running shoes on the plane. So my flip-flops and my orthopedic sandals are just going in a Walmart grocery bag. Put them at the end where the wheels are. So I think on this side, I'm just going to put the packing cube with my tops. I'm going to put my packing cube with my underwear in there. My scarf can go in my carry-on tote. So then we're going to put this guy here. Put that like that. We're gonna fasten these. And then we're gonna put the largest cube in this section. And we'll see if my socks and bras fit in there. I think they will. Yay! Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, so now I just put my deodorant. I have Q-tips, the portable travel soap I showed you before. I have my dental floss, some eye patches. This is my makeup. My tinted moisturizer will be in my leather tote because this is my liquid allowance. This is all my full-size skincare, toothpaste, sunscreen, all the skincare products that I use twice a day are in here. A lip gloss, my tinted moisturizer. I got a full-size CeraVe moisturizer that I'm using, eye drops. There's my tinted sunscreen that I'm using as a foundation. So this is what I'm allowed for liquids, but that's gonna go in my carry leather tote. Now for my toner, what I did, I counted out how many days I needed, and I think I put 12 of the Shiseido cotton wipes, and I put 3 pumps of my toner, which is normally what I use, onto each Shiseido cotton, and that won't count as a liquid because it's already absorbed into the cotton, and I'm hoping that it stays hydrated in the little baggie. So now I'm gonna stick this stuff in these pouches, and then I have my razor in here, some feminine hygiene stuff, and then this, where can I put this? I just want to see what it looks like when it's closed, if it's gonna close. Closed. It closed. So actually I may just put that in my leather tote because I'm just gonna have my iPad, my camera case, and my liquids instead of, like, you know, jamming it in there and getting it all squished and stuff. Although I don't think there's anything that would really I think I'll err on the side of caution. But if I wanted to take the stuff out of the bag, I probably could, and it would fit. But I'm gonna have lots of room in my tote. Oh my goodness. It's not too heavy, actually. So I did it. It fit. Yay me. So this was always gonna go in my leather tote anyways, and I'll just throw that in. And those are just disposable Neutrogena wipes for your face. So all that stuff except for my deodorant and hairband will be used up when I come home. So that's awesome. Yay! Be sure to check out my other travel videos. I'm going to be vlogging from Italy. If you found my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Ciao!